Our goal is not in her.
Need to change some values in here because our code is not working as per requirement. Like id, if you have already data in the id field with id equals to 3, then you need to change it. Like I can show you here. You need to enter in your MySQL with user, whatever user you are using, and with password. Enter your password and you can see some database with show databases, and we are entering these values into the ESB underscore DB. So we are going to use that. Use ESB underscore DB. Sorry. ESB underscore DB. Okay, so it's changed. You can see the tables using show tables. And you can see the ESP underscore request. So we can just select star from ESP underscore request. So you can see I have used ID 1, 2, 3 and 5, and you have these datas in it. So now we need to change some things, like first of all the ID, and secondly the sender ID, because if you go into description of ESB underscore request, you can see the first one is the primary key and the second one is mule given. So we need to change these two IDs. So let's change it. ID should be 4, and we need to change our SQL file. Control S to save it, and we can now go to our GitHub file. We can go to the BMD and we will change this sender's ID. So let's change here. We need to enter 4 digits or varchar. So 1G3D. I have changed it. Save it and close the file. Now open a terminal and we are going to run Kodev build. It will build again and you can see the build is success. Now we need to run Kodev run and it will start running the code. Now open another terminal and we need to enter the curl command here. So for the curl command, you need to specify the location of the file where you can see the bmd.xml. So go to the properties of this and you can copy the location, and here you should change that location. Control Shift V to paste it, and the name of the file, and you just need to press enter now. And it says empty reply from server, but you can see here that our file has run successfully and you can see like it received the BMD request and temporary folder was created. File path is given for that temporary folder written and BMD was successfully received. Now you can see like we have passed the BMD from XML to JSON also, and this is just a simple output, but you can see a file name payload.json in the folder, and you can see like date format was correct and it has successfully passed from passed bmd.xml to the database. Now we are going to check in the database. Now let's maximize it and let's select everything from ESP request, and you can see there is one more entry now, and you can see 1G3D, that ID we changed is here and everything you can see it. So this is how you are going to run a Kodev command, and to stop this service you can control C, but it's not working right now, so control Z to stop it. But if you start running it again, it will show you that there is one error, so already in use. So we are going, and that command is going to be a fuser. So enter that and it will say that it has killed the Kodev run, and you can run it again and it will start.